Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're going to be taking a look at a couple photo panels that I got from Snapfish. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at a couple photo panels that I got from Snapfish. They have metal ones and wooden ones. These are the wood ones. Now the first one didn't turn out so well, so I ended up having to get it remade, which in this box. Now this is going into the American Legion in Winslow, page 115. It's a memorial of a young gentleman that died overseas, whose body was never recovered and brought home. There'll be a video on that. I'll have a link down below. But this was something that had to be right, because the general public is going to go in there and they're going to see it. Well, if you notice, the letters are cut off up top. Now, you can see that they're kind of crooked. What they do, they basically you send in some pictures, they lay the pictures on the photo panel, and they press them into the wood. That's basically how it works. Well, then have it lined up right. I mean, everybody makes mistakes. I'm not upset by it. I got a hold of them online. They're very responsive. They credited me my payment so I could order another one free of charge. I mean, completely free of charge. And what they suggested I do was move the lettering down or make it smaller. Now, when I designed this online, I didn't get a warning sign. Usually they set up warning messages if you're over the border or if it's not sized right. As far as I can remember, I did not get one. But I went ahead and ordered another one. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now, when you do stuff like this online, it just depends on the time of year. Like Christmas, they're usually busier, so whatever you order is going to take longer. And I know the rush over Christmas, so the best time to order it if you want something special. Like this. This ain't just a Christmas gift. This is going to go into the Legion. But if you look at this one, I resized the lettering, and they slowed the printer down. I can tell just by looking at it, they printed my images slower because it's better quality. I mean, you look at that image quality and look at this. This, I can tell, was a rush job. I mean, you can actually see the difference. I mean, even this is an old image. Even the image of him is even better over here. So with Snapfish, it's going to be one of those things. If you're going to order something, trust me, order it when it's slow. You know, maybe when there's not a sale. Usually when there's a sale, they speed up the printers. I know this because I used to work for the company that made these. If it's going to be something special, you know, and you want to try to save money, order it when it's on sale. Look at it. If it doesn't come out right, I definitely reorder it because there's a big difference in the quality. Same factory, same pictures. I got these offline, and you can just actually see the quality. So with that said, this one here, it's dull. It's not very vivid. Lettering's cut off. To me, this is absolutely hideous. I'd be ashamed to hang it. I'd be ashamed to ship it out if I made this, to be honest with you. So out of a 5-star rating, I might have to give it maybe a 1. Because, I mean, they did get the images right. Everything's, you know. But the quality of it is hideous. It really is. Now this, the remake, the sale is over. I know they slowed down the printers. You can actually see the details in the flag, the stitching in the flag, the color of the grass, color of the flowers. I mean, there's a huge difference. So when you order stuff from Snapfish, try to order it when it's slower. Try not to order stuff around Christmas. And if you do order around Christmas, maybe find something wrong with it so you can get a refund and get it done right. So this one, I can't really, I mean, it's a little crooked, just a little. And I mean, most people ain't going to see that. But since I actually work for the company and I know what I'm looking for, and I've looked at so many of these, to me, I can see that it's crooked. Like I said, most people aren't going to see that. So with this one, I'm going to give it a 4, maybe a 4.5, just because I know there's problems with it. But that's going to be my best. I mean, there's no denying the fact they took shortcuts with this. Okay, we're going to give the good quality one a 4, 4.5 out of 5. The other one, a 1 out of 5. Do me a favor, I'm going to close that 9K mark. Hit that subscribe button, probably this corner up in here somewhere. And as always, thank you for watching.